Ladies and gents, gearheads and gravel goblins, today we're diving into the 2026 Zontes 368G Enduro. It's not just a bike, it's a caffeinated cheetah on two wheels with a PhD in tech wizardry. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Zontes 2026 ZT368 TG installation rear tail group, bottom liner, lower plug video tutorial. The installation position, shown in the video, is at the rear tail section, bottom liner lower position. Install, according to the video method.
I'm coming for the throne.